Hello, good day everyone. For today's update, I work on with the HEMS AI. So what I did is that I captured a video for CCTV monitoring. So this is a 10 seconds video that I captured using the CCTV camera a while ago. So I wasn't able to capture students. I think I was not in the right time when I was monitoring the CCTV camera. And then I updated the detection logic as to add fixes for the YOLO model as it is not properly identifying the person. So once I try to run it, this is the monitoring and I click on start. You can see here that the person is being identified and detected. So once we check on with the detection logs, you can see that it is giving us the detailed observation wherein the single student is visible with her down on the desk, which is how it is right now. So you can see that the YOLO is active and there's one people being detected with an active overlay. So I'm just adding a overlay for all of the posts that will be identified by YOLO itself. So here you can see that the detailed observation, this depicts the exact of what is currently happening on the video frame. So we have here the post analysis that I added. So I added a numerical indicator for the post analysis. And then I added some of the item, for example, this post issue summary and critical post issues and total post issues that has been identified and post detection count as well. So I will be improving this more to have it more versatile and will be able to identify more post issues in the future and on future deployment and testing. So right now it's working properly and I think it's good to build an API now to save what has been identified in the video frame. I think that's all for my end for this day. Thank you.